I prefer this, prefer this system to thick beams. It's easier and it's stronger and it's easier. Yeah, you can do it one. I can do it one person. If those were beams of what is it, 100 by 150s, no way I'd lift them up on my own. So you can see it's a lot easier this way. So it's a good system. And I'd recommend anybody not to use Bruce nowadays, but to use this type of system. For the Albiasca, it's doski pakit, and it's the same for the top, doski pakit. So I will recommend using this system. Much easier to do, and it's easier on the workers as well. Whoever's building it, or if you're building it yourself, much lighter and more. You can, if something goes wrong, you can. If you've got a bent piece and something, it's horrible. You can use it somewhere else. You can move it around. You can straighten it. You can work with it. With thick timber, you've no chance. Once it's on, it's on. Anyway. Good evening, YouTube. So I did live stream mainly today what I was doing. So this last bit I haven't videoed, but I'll show you anyway, so that you can see what I've been up to. Today got these pieces up here of the top plate, and this is all done now, and the top plate along there, and the top plate along there is all finished, and in here the sclad or boiler room is practically finished. I've got the window in now, all those bits are in, all insulated, all that side's in. There's a couple of things I haven't done yet. I've got to put a piece of extra timber in behind here, which is where, sort of like this, if I can show you. So like that, it's where the wall, where the final finish connects onto. So if you can imagine on this side where I've done it, the final finish will go on this side and on this side. So that's your final finish. So it's a kind of adding piece. It's not structural, it's just literally to connect the final finish to. So that's got to be done in that corner, and then it's just this little wall here that's got to be finished off, which I've left open to the last minute to give me a way to get through without having to go all the way around. But that's almost finished. So tomorrow is on with this top plate along here, and then once this top plate is finished, I am planning on doing the rest of the top plate all the way around this third of the house, and then on with the ceiling joists on this side. So all these ceiling joists will be in. Well, they won't all be in tomorrow, but they've all got to go in. And then once those are in, then it's on with the stud work in the ceiling. So then it'll be this third of the house completed when that's done. So, okay, I'll see you tomorrow.